Hello everyone, this is Ina with Innichka Chef. Welcome to my kitchen. What are we doing today? We are making delicious matcha cookies. It's a St. Patrick's month, so we like to eat this month everything green, and today I want to show you how to make delicious, easy, quick matcha cookies. And for the ingredients we need, of course, matcha powder, and it's so good for you. I will link below in full blog. You can read about how healthy and so many health benefits of this matcha for your body. Another ingredient, it's a black sesame seed. You can use white sesame seeds. It's up to you, but I think contrast black and green will be beautiful. Other ingredients, all-purpose flour, everyone has, right? Pink salt, little bit of baking powder and soda, just tiny bit. We don't want this cookie to be puffy. It's just very simple cookie. Of course, good quality grass-fed butter. As always, some sugar, homemade vanilla extract, and egg. One large egg from my chicken. That's all. Let's do it. This cookie easy to make because you don't even need to have room temperature butter. It's straight from the fridge. Nice and cold, and I'm using food processor, which is going to speed up our process. That's how I'm going to cream my butter and sugar. And I'm using raw canned sugar and little chunks. And sugar. It's almost to the paste. Now time for the wet ingredients. Wet ingredients very simple. Only one egg and vanilla extract. About 1-2 teaspoons. Give a little whisk. Oh yeah, now looks like a paste, perfect consistency. Time for the last step, dry ingredients. And dry ingredients, all we need, add to the flour salt, baking soda, baking powder, matcha, and sesame seed. Whisk all together. Bigger bowl would be much helpful, right? Did I think? And now add to your food processor. Oh yes, perfect. The dough will look a little bit crumbling, but that's all right. That's how it's supposed to be. This dough is so easy to work and very forgivable. It's nice to roll, and also we can re-roll, and yeah, very easy to work with this dough. Very pliable, I would say. And repeat this from another two sides. Kind of we create perfect rectangle. Come take a look. Almost perfect. Now, I like to place this dough to the fridge for at least 1 hour, 20 minutes or 30 minutes until it's getting nice and hard, so it will be easy to cut. Actually, we can cut as it is, but cookie will be spread around in your oven. So I like to chill down a little bit for at least 30 minutes. We can re-roll this later on, but now the cookies. Now ready for the oven, 300 degrees Fahrenheit, about 14 minutes. They're quite a bit thick. Half inch. I think I got the guy who loves to taste my cookies. Any cookies, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at that. All right. Which one looks good to you?
I'll get that one, and then Johnny can get this one.
Okay. You worry about your brother, right? Can we
Yeah.
see how it looks inside?
Yeah. It's green.
It's perfect. Can you taste for us?
That's good.
That's good. Johnny, do you want taste cookie?
I'll get
He
the-
has green t-shirt as well. This month we're all wearing green, right? Except Mama. Green cookie. Do you like it? Mm.
Not that bad.
Not that bad. Okay, go. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you will make this cookie soon. Bye, see you next time. Don't forget, subscribe, give me a like, share with your friends, and make everything from scratch.